Let's take a closer look at our system. CAIS is a semi-autonomous system for calculating and administering the anesthesia dosage. Most of the present-day systems are prone to human negligence, which often have fatal consequences. Our system is a closed-loop system which varies the dosage in real time depending upon the vital parameters of the patient. It consists of sensors which transmit the vital parameters of the system using a UART interface. LabVIEW then uses this data to calculate the dosage and controls the actuators precisely through a microcontroller. The heartbeat module is based on differential absorption of IR light by human tissue as the blood flows through the veins. The pulse rate is calculated by using a dynamic averaging algorithm. The LabVIEW front panel displays the cardiograph and a heartbeat meter showing the real-time variation. The system we have constructed is accurate to within a 5% error. The next component we'll be talking about is the pulse oximeter. The oximeter measures the saturated oxygen content in the blood. It is based on the difference in the absorption of red and IR light by the human tissue. Saturated oxygen content in the blood is calculated by interpolation of the ratio of the IR and red light. The SpO2 levels are displayed on the front panel using the SpO2 level meter as shown below. There are two stages of anesthesia administration, the induction phase being the initial phase used to put the patient to sleep and is determined by static parameters like the age and body mass index. Precise induction of the anesthetic is achieved by using a crankshaft mechanism as shown. The second phase is a maintenance phase used to keep the patient in an anesthetized condition. The dosage is administered using an infusion set controlled by a solenoid valve. The rate is varied based on the vital parameters . Now let us see the overall working of a prototype. This is the front panel of our system. Initially, the static parameters of the patient are entered. These include the type of surgery. Our database contains a list of 10 surgeries which are created in LabVIEW. The rest of the parameters include the age, the height, and the weight. The time of surgery is then entered. The system calculates the dosage based on the BMI, duration and type of surgery. These dosages are transmitted to a microcontroller over a VISA interface. Once the syringe has been loaded, depending upon the calculated induction dosage, the syringe is actuated using the controllers. Moving on to the maintenance phase, LabVIEW ensures that the sensor probes are connected by signaling using an LED. LabVIEW continuously receives the sensor values from the microcontroller and displays the parameters after calculating them. The body temperature is measured using the LM35, which is a linear centigrade sensor. The infusion set then precisely administers the anesthetic, and the rate remains the same as long as the parameters are within the threshold value.